Here's how to create a good character in Janitor AI. The first thing that you need to do is open another AI model. I have ChatGPT here to help me out in creating my character. Of course, the first step is to upload a photo of your character. To give you an example, I'm gonna use Simon Ghost Riley from Call of Duty. Now that the first step is done, the next step is we need to identify the things that we need in order to make this character. Like this, we need a title, chat name, bio. Well, we don't need tags for now. We're gonna fill them in later. And make sure your content rating is set to limitless. Okay, we also need a personality, a scenario, initial messages, and finally, example dialogues. Once we have identified the things that we need to go to ChatGPT and create a prompt to help us fill those in. To give you an example of a prompt that will help us make our character, I've created this. I just basically put in the things that Janitor AI needs to make our character. I just said that he should create me a persona for my character that I will put into Janitor AI. I described my character. I said I needed a title, a bio, a lore-accurate personality, a scenario, initial messages, and example dialogues. The ones that we identified earlier. Just click enter for ChatGPT to make these things for you. And once you're satisfied and adjusted it according to your liking, just copy-paste it into Janitor AI. As you can see, I just copy-pasted all the information that ChatGPT sent me. The last thing that we need to do is just to add the tags. Of course, it's based on the character. He is male, he is fictional, and he's from a video game. So I'll add those tags and I'll create my character. Now that Simon Ghost Riley is created, let's try chatting with him. The initial message is here, so I know that it works. Let's just say a simple line. Let's say, "Hi Ghost." There you see his reply is consistent with what I described. He just aura farms too much. Now let's do a funny reply to see the funny side of it. Let's say, "Should I call you Simon?" And there, as you can see, he gave a funny and awkward reply which was consistent with what I was expecting. Yeah, so that's how you easily make a good character in Janitor AI.